V-grip is a single-use band-type tourniquet designed to support safe and secure phlebotomy procedures whilst minimising the risk of cross-infection. Before the procedure, pull the V-grip roll through the dispensing box until the perforations are visible, then gently tear it off. Prior to application, stretch the tourniquet several times to achieve optimum flexibility. Place V-grip under the patient's arm and cross both sides over to form an upwards X shape. Pull the top strap upwards to achieve the desired tension, then lift the bottom strap away from the arm to pass a loop of the top one under it to secure in place. To release V-grip, simply pull the end of the looped strap upwards and guide it away from the patient's arm. V-grip.